Lights, camera, action! Let's see, what do I have for you today? I have 会話とコスメ, some conversation and makeup, just real casual glam. Just get ready with me today. I have an interview, so we'll go kind of conservative. And welcome from Winter Wonderland. It is February 24th. This is take 3. I had a bunch of little mistakes this morning getting ready for everyone. What do you think? West Coast, we're having snow. Do you have snow where you are today? 西海岸はすごい吹雪。オレゴン州、カリフォルニア州、ワシントン州。すごい。もう2月で、もうすぐ3月で。なんでこの雪すごい。We have crazy snow. So, do you know who I brought today? Today's guest? 今日の誘ったゲストはLet it go, let it go. The cold's never bothered me anyway. It's Elsa! Hello, Elsa! I bought these for my daughter when I used to work in the toy section at Target when I was waiting to go back to Japan or waiting to find a Japan-related job. Target is the only place that hired me, so thank you, Target, and thank you, Elsa. The toy section is so fun. And I brought Elsa today. Today's makeup, I thought, because I'm wearing blue and I got a blue necklace, I thought I might go with this. It's really old. This must be from 2019, the Frozen 2 COLOURPOP palette. I'll try to make something nice, nice and suitable for an interview today. 面接にぴったりのコスメのルック頑張ります. Let's see. I think I'm probably gonna go into this. It's called fire. Just something really basic, and maybe a little bit of this blue called water, and maybe a little bit of this like purple shimmer called Gale. I know some people in their reviews, they complain about this shade. It says cuddle close. It looks like it's going to be a really pretty white, but it kind of just, I think it just goes on kind of like a purpley sheer. We'll see. And I really like this silver, but I'm not sure, that might be too much for today. We'll see. So I brought this one. And for my lip, I got some Rimmel in the shade Candy. I got a little bit of gloss. I'm either going to go with this ColourPop So Juicy, or I'm going to go with just a little bit of a gloss. The actual one that came with the set back in 2019 was this really pretty snowflake one. And but the color is really dark, and that's just too much for today. Maybe another day we'll go for a more extreme Elsa night look. But let's get started. Before I start, ちょこっと会話しましょうか? I have some questions. We'll start easy. We'll start easy and we'll go more difficult. So 今日の会話はね, Number 1. What is your favorite flower? お好きな花の種類は何ですか? 私なら椿かな。椿、桜、hibiscus. I like those. I like what's the word? Camellia in English. I like camellia flowers. I like hibiscus flowers, and cherry blossoms, of course, because I love cherries. Okay, it's gonna get a little harder. Number 2. What doctor do you dread visiting most? 医者と会ったら、なんか、体調の先生、医者と会えば、どちらと会う時の前に緊張になりますか? What doctor do you dread visiting the most? For me, I think that's any doctor, because every time I've gone to the doctor and they give me medicine, it's made me sick. And that's why I like naturopathic doctors. they never really hurt me as bad as the other type of doctors did. Yeah, I think let's stick with 2. I don't want to give them all. And the questions are brought from you. I had these funny cards. They're from this game. I've been using this game since college. Since I used to have parties with the exchange students, I've been using this game. 会話にぴったりゲーム。大人向け。おすすめです。What's the company? It's made in the USA by a company called All Things Equal Inc. And look at all the fun colors. I love colors. It has a board like this. So I hope somebody can play with me someday. Me and my friends in college, we had so much fun with this game. For my Japanese friends, it was really hard because it's called loaded questions. They're not easy questions that your brain has to think really hard. And some of them are political, some of them are about kind of personal, like fan and celebrity kind of questions. So that's all over the place. And it can be hard, like, culturally. But challenges are good. Challenges either make or break us. So let's let the challenges make us today. And let's make. メイクしましょう。メイクしましょう。簡単なメイク。私は適当な人。メイクの時は適当です。I'm really casual when I put my makeup on. I can't stress over it too much. I could be more OCD about it, maybe someday. But when you're a busy mom, then perspective changes. Okay, I'm gonna start with my my C brush again. There's a little yellow left behind in here. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the one. I'm gonna go in with the fire. Get the fire for the day. Just a little bit of shadow. Fire. Let it go. Let it go. I love my ColourPop palette. It's been with me since 2019. That was when I had some moment where 2019年ね、メイクにハマってました、ちょこっと。Yeah, I like that. It's just a little bit of color. I'm just putting it on the inner and outer corners because I'll probably do something else with the main part of the lid. Yay. Not bad. I mean, you're probably saying like, oh, there's no difference, but at least it makes you feel pretty, right? Like, the feeling is important too. I got this funny little brush from Eco Tools from Target. It's got this little fluffy end. I think I'm gonna go in with this light purple one. And just put that right there. And just so there's a little shine and shimmer in the middle. I don't really see that it's doing much, but this is just to feel pretty for when I have my interview today. Something a little blue and purple, and I got this cute headband from Claire's. Feeling frozen because of all the snow. The road is like an ice rink. And when that happens in Oregon, just everything stops. The trains stop. I had a job interview yesterday and it got canceled because of the snow. So I was painting all day and watching. I was watching an academic talk at Stanford that was streaming for free. It was Japanese people talking about social media and the future of social media, which is a pretty big issue of what kind of stories we're gonna allow and not allow to be heard. Alright, now what? There's a spindrift or water. I think I want to do water. I want some blue. I think I'll do this is a dark blue kind of for the outer corner here. Just to, and it's gonna blend in. Looks I think I have I have some black. That's okay. Mascara or eyeliner would be black anyway. Just a little something for the outer corner. That's okay. It just pops. It makes the eye pop to get a little bit of that. I really wanted the blue though. I'm an artist. I'm picky. I'm picky about my colors. Deep down, I'm an artist. Even if I have other day jobs, I think everybody has a little, like, even if you're in math or science, everybody has a little artist in them. Okay. Diddy! My grandma used to go, Diddy! And I used to do that in my English class, and all the kids would get excited. Like, if they do a good job. Diddy! You did it! It always made me laugh when she said that. And I don't mind carry on the tradition of making funny noises when people do a good job. Some of you commented on my last video. I love that when you answer my questions and you can answer in English or Japanese. 会話質問は日本語でも英語でも構いませんよ。コメント残してください. Leave a comment. Okay, I got my little Too-Faced. I'm gonna censor the name of it, but it's a Too-Faced mascara. You can look it up if you really want to know. I'm just gonna do a little lash. I'm just, yeah, I feel pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty and witty and grand. How I pity another one who's not as excited as I am. Yay! I think that's enough. Okay, I'm attracted to this white, so I'm gonna try to remember what this looks like, and I'll show you. Oh, I mean, it looks, yeah, let's get frosty. Yeah, that's a little fun. Just put a little bit of that on top. And then if you really want to glam it up, they always have these glitter things. Usually their palettes have at least one, but that I'm gonna go a little conservative. 今日は面接だからグリッターなしにしましょうか. For an interview, I'll go casual. This looks good. I feel good. I got my white pearls. I got my blue. A little student gave me this pretty blue bracelet. She must have made it. It has a little charm on it with a koi fish and a lotus. 恋の魚とレンゲがあります。これはプレゼントにいただきました。感謝してます。I'm so thankful for it. The lip. I think this Rimmel candy, it's really, really pink, and it's maybe a little too exciting for an interview. So I think I'm gonna go for this more subtle, So Juicy. All of this makeup is kind of old. It's from 2019. Okay, I feel pretty. I feel ready. Anything else on my mind today? I don't know, just to keep my energy in the winter, I've been making non-alcoholic mojitos. So I promise, I cross my heart that I'm not drinking this early in the day. It's mint and seltzer water and a little bit of tonic water, natural tonic water with quinine. And lots of lime. Yeah, and even more lime. Can't get enough lime. Vitamin C, B vitamins for your brain. This will make you feel really good. Non-alcoholic mojitos. All right. いかがでしたか? How was it? Are you okay? またね。コメント残してください. See you next time.